Guys, this is the Latrikunda Bambo garage. Yeah. Hey guys, it's your boy. Please welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, just kindly hit the subscribe button, like and share with friends and family. In today's video, I'm gonna show you the road walk going on here, which is the Latrikunda Bambo road. As you can see, this is how this area looks. Yeah. So guys, this road goes to Sukuta Nema. Yeah, as you can see. So this is the road walk, road maintenance. As you can see, they removed the old asphalt. Yeah. Guys, this is the Latrikunda Bambo highway. So guys, as you can see, this is how it looks right now. Yeah. So they removed the asphalt. They removed all because the road was so bad, and then yeah, they are doing a road maintenance. Just take a look. So guys, this is how it looks. Yeah. Let's just take a look here. And that's the Castle petrol station over there. Yeah. So I'm walking towards Bundum Police. So guys, so last time I did a video here, they were digging a gutter here, and this is how it looks now. Yeah, just take a look. This is how the gutter looks now. Yeah, and this is how the road looks. Yeah, they remove all the asphalt. They remove all the asphalt here. Yeah, and then this is how this road looks right now. So this is the road that also goes to Latrikunda. Yeah, the Latrikunda Bagway. This is the road that also leads to Latrikunda. So this is how it looks right now. Yeah. Yeah. So guys, as you can see, their machine is parked over there. This is the current situation here on this road. Yeah, yeah. So guys, give the video a big like and then subscribe to this channel. I would really appreciate that. Guys, before this road was so bad. It get a lot of potholes. So driving here was not comfortable. Yeah. Guys, just look. And guys, there is a machine over there. So guys, I start the video from there. Yeah, and then walking. Let's go. And there's a petrol station over there, the GNPC petrol station, and that's the Bundum police station. That's the new police station. So guys, this is how the work is going on here. So guys, this is the road work here. Yeah. So you guys see? So they are putting gutters at that other areas. My country is developing. Whoa. Guys, this is what is going on here on this road. Yeah. So guys, they're putting iron rods over there, so you can see. Yeah. So guys, as you can see, and then this is surrounding here. So guys, just take a look. This area is for gutter, as you can see. Look at it. Yeah. So guys, I'm gonna end the video here. As always, if this is your first time here, just kinda hit the subscribe button, like and share with friends and family. I'm out. Peace. See you next time. Love you all. Bye.